Hey y'all! Today I got to go to Fogueira Crab Churrascaria in Deerfield Beach. And guess what? You can eat free on your birthday. All you have to do is show them your ID. This place has some great deals and food, like their lunch for $26.99, which includes a salad bar with hot and cold options, and of course over 10 cuts of meat, like different cuts of steak, ribs, lamb, sausage, and chicken. Then dinner for $34.99, which includes a salad bar and over 10 cuts of meat with the addition of shrimp and octopus. They also have a great all-you-can-eat deal for $34.99 on the weekend with more than 10 cuts of meat and shrimp and octopus, as well as the seafood boil combos for $39.99. And of course, they have great drinks. Definitely check them out.